Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to change email address on TikTok. We start by entering TikTok, then click on the top menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Inside here, we will click on Account, then click on Account Information and then on Email. Now we will click on Change Email Address and enter the new email we want. Then we click on Send Code and we will receive a code to that email that we will have to enter. Finally, we will see how our email on TikTok has been changed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.